Welcome to the Stock Market Daily News Podcast. Today is December 28th, 2025, and we're recapping the trading action from yesterday. U.S. stocks closed slightly higher as investors weighed the year's final economic reports. The S&P 500 gained about 0.3%, finishing near a record at 4,888. The Dow Jones rose 39 points to 37,800, and the Nasdaq added 0.5%, closing at 15,100. Gold stole the show with an explosive rally, and we'll break down top stories for investors, including gold's historic jump, dividend stock standouts, and a new India sector leaders fund making headlines. Let's dive in. First up, gold prices smashed through record highs, trading well above $4,500 per ounce and touching $4,575. That's a stunning 71% gain year-to-date, driven by strong central bank buying, safe haven demand, geopolitical concerns, and falling real yields. The rally benefited major miners, Agnico Eagle Mines and Barrick Mining. Agnico Eagle gained on solid production and financial strength, with net cash up to $2.16 billion and a recent Moody's credit upgrade. Barrick Mining impressed as gold prices fueled record cash flows and a 25% dividend hike. For portfolios, gold's momentum plus solid miner fundamentals could offer both growth and a defensive edge if market volatility intensifies. Next, let's look at high-conviction dividend stocks that have attracted Wall Street's strongest buy ratings as we head into 2026. Cenovus Energy, yielding 4.8%, saw a 55% jump in quarterly profits despite a revenue dip. Linde, the world's largest industrial gases company, increased sales and net income by over 24% and offers a 1.4% yield with nearly 60% 5-year dividend growth. Retail giant Walmart reported nearly 6% sales growth and a 34% income boost, with a steady payout. Hasbro, known for Monopoly and Nerf, showed solid earnings and a 3.4% yield. For income-focused investors, analyst consensus suggests these blue chips combine payout reliability with upside potential. Shifting gears to fund news, ICICI Prudential Life Insurance launched its Sector Leaders Index Fund in India, targeting leading companies across more than 20 key industries via a simple, rule-based approach. This fund aims to make it easier for investors to buy into the big names driving India's market growth, reinvesting dividends for long-term wealth creation. The minimum investment is set at 1,000 rupees, with up to 5% held in liquid assets for flexibility. If you're seeking diversified passive exposure to India's top sectors, this new fund is one to watch. Finally, market sentiment remained constructive as major indexes climbed to fresh highs, fueled by cooling inflation and expectations of Federal Reserve rate cuts in early 2026. Sector rotation continued, with energy, tech, and industrials leading Wednesday's gains. Trading volumes were moderate as the year winds down, but investors stayed focused on inflation readings and upcoming earnings season. To recap, the S&P closed near all-time highs, gold shattered records, Wall Street's top dividend stocks showed resilience, and Indian markets welcomed a new passive fund. Looking ahead, keep an eye on next week's jobs data and early earnings releases as 2026 gets underway. Don't miss a beat, subscribe and follow us for your daily dose of market insights.